we will show you how to adjust side mirror's position. To adjust side mirror's position, take a look at the screen display and swipe down. Tap side mirror adjustment and now adjust it using the buttons on the steering wheel. Use these buttons to adjust left side mirror and this button to adjust right side mirror. The best side mirror position is when the driver door handle is located in the bottom right corner. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.